reflecting po on my journey on the NSTP or the National Service Program, na-realize ko po that this experience became more than just a school requirement. It became an opportunity for personal growth and learning. So, before po NSTP, I thought community engagement was simply about joining activities or completing tasks. Pero po, through the program, na-realize ko po that helping others means understanding their needs and being willing to contribute even po sa maliliit na bagay. And also the NSTP helped me improve important skills such as communication, teamwork, leadership, and responsibility. It also became it also made me more aware of importance of caring for both the community and environment. So, um, as a clinician student po, yung pag-join ko po sa community-based activities showed me that simple actions po can create meaningful change. Na-realize ko din po na service is not measured po by how big the action is. Instead, nakikita po ito sa sincerity and commitment natin. Then, because of NSTP, I now understand that the true purpose of community and environmental engagement is to become responsible and compassionate individuals po na gumagawa ng positive impact in the community. And lastly po, I would like to thank our instructor po, Sir Tiger. Hopefully po maging instructor po ulit kayo namin sa aming NSTP2. So, thank you po for guiding us throughout this journey and reminding us to continue practicing service and leadership po beyond the classroom. Bye-bye po. Thank you and God bless, sir.